How to fix HMRC Gateway login not working. Very first thing that you need to do is double check your 12-digit government gateway user ID and also the password, right? So sometimes when we do mistake open those, there might be this kind of error, so make sure to double check it and ensure that it is all corrected. After doing that, try to ensure that your authenticator app or your SMS code matches your registered phone number. So if it does not, like if it's the different number to both of them, a different number, then of course there might be error logging in. So make sure that both numbers are exact same, and then from there you can also try to use the forgot user ID or forgot password option in here in order to get a link on the main sign-in page to reset your credentials using your national insurance number. And you can simply go along with the process, follow all of the given on-screen prompt. You'll be able to do it and see if that helps. If not, then if your account still is locked due to multiple failed attempts, wait for about 2 hours or contact the HMRC online services helpline. I'm pretty sure that they will help you out within this problem.